Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you do not have enough memory to open this page. Try closing other tabs or programs to free up memory. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu, type in Advanced System Settings. Best result should come back with View Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory, go ahead and select Settings. Set it to adjust for best performance, and then select Apply and OK. Please note there'll be a trade-off between the visuals and the performance of your computer, so it might not look as great, but it should run better. And you're always welcome to go back in here and actually add some certain features that might make it look a little bit cleaner. Again, you don't have to keep them all unchecked or all checked. You don't have to do the two extremes. You can kind of pick or choose a bit here. But we're going to just set it for best performance for this tutorial and then select Apply and OK. You might have a lower end computer. And then something else you want to do here is open up the Start menu again. Type in battery. When the best matches should come back with power and sleep settings, go ahead and open that up. Scroll down underneath related settings and select additional power settings. You want to select high performance, favors performance but may use more energy. So it might use more energy and it will probably drain your battery quicker, but you should have better performance out of your hardware. So keep that selected here, and then if you had to change it, you might have to. If you were on power saver or balanced, switch it over to high performance, and then once you've done that, you can just close out of here. Would recommend restarting your computer and see if you're still having a problem. One further thing you can try here, if we were to open up the Start menu and go back into Advanced System Settings, again this is after we've restarted and we're still having issues here, would be to go into here, select the Settings button again underneath Performance, and then you want to select the Advanced tab. Underneath Virtual Memory, go ahead and select the Change button. Uncheck where it says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, and then select Custom Size. So there's 1024 megabytes in a gigabyte, so I'd recommend starting there, and then you can go higher depending on your system specifications. But I would recommend just trying 1024. Go ahead and select Set here, and then select OK. You will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect, but if you close out of here, just to go make sure that it's been confirmed saved in here. And if you ever want to change it back, you can just select Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. So either way, you should be alright. Select OK, and then select Apply and OK. It does want you to restart your computer, so go ahead and restart now. And then hopefully it should be good to go. You can also go one step further and clear your cache on Google Chrome, as well as turning off or removing unnecessary or unused extensions. But that's pretty much it, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.